Get ready for an adrenaline-packed video showcasing thrilling police chases. Stay until the end for maximum excitement. Let's go! Police officer detected a dark blue Hyundai Sonata traveling at a speed of 105 miles per hour in a zone designated for 60 miles per hour. Despite being in an occupied work zone during the rush hour traffic, the vehicle was still traveling at a high speed of 99 miles per hour as it passed the police officer. Recognizing the violation, the police officer initiated a traffic stop, but the driver didn't stop, so the police officer continued to chase him.
Hands up now!
After the accident, the driver was arrested for speeding, no driver's license, and etc. In a thrilling incident in a small Arkansas town, a truck involved in a local police chase attempting a daring escape. The driver evaded the pursuit local police, weaving through the streets and ignoring traffic signals. The Arkansas State Police were called in to assist and took the lead into chase. And as you can see, the truck found itself encircled by two determined police vehicles, creating an intense and high-stakes situation. The driver was trying his best to navigate an escape route. The truck discovered an escape route from the tight encircle formed by two persistent police vehicles, but that won't help him either, because cops will soon be at his tail. The police officer executed a pursuit intervention technique, pit maneuver, causing the truck to roll and come to a halt.
Arrive on Cemetery Road. Arrive on Cemetery.
Newport up, hit him out, roll over accident.
We're passing 20th right now. Going to be the left-hand lane. These are 35. traffic yielding. No foot traffic.
A stolen GNC Acadia triggered a pursuit involving the North Little Rock Police Department and the Arkansas State Police. The suspect skillfully evaded the capture, prompting the collaboration between the two law enforcement agencies.
We're going to stay northbound on Pershing, past Pershing, coming up towards I-40, speeds are 40. No traffic. And what traffic would do is yielding. I have to be notified, state police. So, I'm 11. Looks like we're going to be going I-40 eastbound. Coming up to the 67-167. Light traffic, speeds are 7.
Well guys, I really need to ask you this. Do you consider a pit maneuver as an important police tool? Please comment down below.
67-167. Gonna be 65, right hand lane. There's little traffic in front of us, but should maintain our lane. Gonna be middle lane, 65 miles an hour, coming up from the Canyon exit. Still got a gap in between us and little traffic in front of us.
And guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, please take a second to subscribe and hit that like button, since 90% of you guys who are watching our videos are not subbed. It would mean a lot to us. Thanks.
So that's the true bank. Yes sir, do you all have any troopers nearby? He's passing the King northbound, trying to catch up to you. Yes sir, we're passing right in front of the trooper. 10-4, you'll have another trooper trying to intercept coming up on 440 overpass as well. Thank you. Gonna be right lane, far right lane, sorry. 68 miles an hour. No traffic. No, she just changed to the middle lane.
To immobilize the fleeing SUV and the protect bystanders, a pursuit intervention technique pit maneuver was executed, causing the stolen vehicle to collide with a wall. The successful maneuver brought the pursuit to an end, leading to arrest of the suspect.
Partner, we got state coming up right here. We're on the switch all day. Yep. Y'all might want to get on PDASP and ask if they asked for our assistance. By terminal, they did not ask.
50th North Little Rock.
Everybody in North Little Rock, are y'all asking for our assistance in the pursuit? 10-4.
50th Little Rock on property.
We got a successful bid.
And guys, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this episode, please again leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and until the next episode, I highly suggest you to go and watch this one. See ya.